Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to make a sphere or a ball on Sketchup. So you're going to delete that guy. You're going to come over and find the circle tool. Okay. And for this one you can start in the middle or you can go anywhere. I'm just going to use the origin here. I'm going to click once to set it, to place it where I want my circle to be made. And I'm just going to make it about an average size. So right now I've got my circle made. Now, using the keypad on your computer, you're going to hit the left arrow. So you know how there's the 4 keys, up, down, left, right? You're going to hit the left arrow, and what that does is it changes the origin that we are on. So your circle should turn green, and you're going to click once when you're in the center, and then you're going to pull it all the way out, and then click again. And you should get 2 circles that are intersecting. So once again, you make a circle, go to the middle, and I'm not clicking anything. I'm going to hit the left arrow on my keys. Now I click once, and then click again. The number one mistake that students make when we're doing these 2 intersecting circles is when they go to the middle to make the other one, they click, and I haven't clicked anything yet. Once you click, that places it, and we don't want to place it yet. So again, hit the left arrow, click once to place it now, pull all the way out. Okay, so right now I've got 2 intersecting circles. They're still flat, they are not 3D, so now we need to make them 3D. So I'm going to choose the select tool at the top. I'm going to choose one of the circles, it doesn't matter which one. And then I'm going to come down to the push-pull button, and I'm going to choose the middle one, which is follow me. And now I'm going to choose the other circle that I didn't select. And when you do that, it forms a sphere. Then you can take the eraser tool and erase that line in the middle. And if it does that, just leave the line in the middle. It doesn't really affect the circle at all. So once again, you choose your select tool, you choose one of the circles. Then you come over to the Follow Me tool, choose the other circle, and then it makes a sphere. Now once again, dark gray will not 3D print. It is a negative value. So for example, like this guy, if it turned out dark gray, what I would do is I would just undo it and choose the other face, or I would turn it around and go on the other side. So I'm going to choose this circle this time, and I'm going to do a Follow Me, and keep doing it till I get a white circle. So now I have a white circle, so it'll 3D print. And then I'm going to erase the middle. Again, it's erasing it, so we're just going to leave the line there because it doesn't matter. So once again, select one, come over to the Follow Me, choose Follow Me, and it makes your circle. Okay? That is how you make spheres. Yay!